back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm sorry that I don't have any makeup on. Today's gonna be a little bit of a different kind of video. I am going to be taking you guys along vlog style of me packing for a camping trip. It's not really camping, if I'm being completely honest. It's me and my husband are going to a cabin up in the mountains. So I have to pack food and water and just like some camping, not really any camping gear, but I'm gonna show you guys what I take as far as clothing, toiletries, and stuff like that. I'm also gonna be vlogging the trips, even though it's gonna be kind of a relaxing, lazy trip. So it only took me about 10 minutes to pull together the clothes that I'm going to be taking with me. I'm trying to fit all of my clothing and toiletries and stuff in this duffel bag right here. This duffel bag is from Target. So here I have my slippers, and I just wrapped them in a shower cap that I got from a hotel room. Keeps everything nice and clean. I have this makeup bag, and in here I have my socks and my underwear. Here I have my one nice outfit that I'm taking with me because we're only going to be going out for one day, so I don't really need more than one outfit. Here I have 2 pairs of sweats, Febreze just in case anything starts smelling musty, sweatshirt in case I get cold, and then 3 t-shirts. And all of this will double as like pajamas, loungewear, because like I said, this is just a relaxing trip. We're not going to be doing anything too crazy, just going out for dinner. Like one night into town. The only other pair of shoes that I am taking are either one of these pair. I haven't decided which I'm gonna wear, either these slip-ons from Target or my Birkenstocks, and I will be wearing these while I travel. So I haven't decided which pair I'm gonna wear yet, but that will go along with my t-shirt and jeans right there. And then here I have my travel outfit, just black leggings and navy t-shirt and the bra I'm gonna wear, and then a Polaroid sweatshirt from Forever 21. That's really all I'm taking as far as clothing goes. Now I'm going to take you along while I pack my toiletries and makeup and stuff. I'm not taking very much makeup at all, very minimal, since it's a camping trip. Like, why would I pack like full glam, you know? And my hair stuff and things like that. So let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my toiletries. All of my toiletries go in this bag here. It's by the brand Travel. I got this on Amazon and I like it because it hangs and it holds a lot of stuff. So this holds all of my toiletries and my hair stuff. I have another bag for all of my skincare because I'm a little excessive with the skincare that I take. And then all of the makeup that I'll be taking will go in my purse. That I carry with me, along with ibuprofen, because you'll see some medications over here, but the ibuprofen, which we take most frequently, which is sad, will be in my purse with me in the front of the car. So in this top compartment I have some body cream. I just have the Brazilian Bum Bum cream and hairspray. This is the Aussie Mega. It's just a travel size. In the second compartment I have toothpaste and a travel toothbrush. And then down here in this front pouch I keep Q-tips. Whoa, sir. Benadryl. And then in this main compartment is where everything else goes. So I have a nail file. I'm actually going to put that in this front compartment here. I have a hairbrush, a comb for when I'm in the shower detangling, Vaseline. I put this on my feet to keep them from getting cracked, birth control, and then my antibiotic for my acne. And this here is my shower bag. So I have shampoo, conditioner, a razor, my face wash that I use most frequently, body wash, and an exfoliator. This is just my shower bag. And you'll see the rest of my skincare in a minute. Howard, you're really making this difficult. Here I have dry shampoo. This is the only thing that does not fit in this bag. So this will just be in my duffel bag loose. And then this right here, this was from a Bite Lip set from Holiday. And in here I just have hair clips, hair ties, and bobby pins. So I'm gonna pack up this bag and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So in the main compartment I have the hair stuff on top, the comb right down here, shower bag, brush, Vaseline, medications right here. And that is all that goes in this bag. One other thing that I almost forgot, it's a good thing I have my packing list deodorant. And that will go in that same bag, just right on top. And now this one is actually finished. Okay, sorry the lighting is not great in here and it's a little bit echoey, but I'm gonna show you guys how I pack my skincare bag. This one, again, from Amazon, and it also hangs. In here, I already have packed, always, cotton pads. I'm probably gonna add a few more just in case. In the bottom, I also have a couple of pre-packaged makeup wipes from Sephora collection and more Q-tips. And this bag is really awesome. Oh, I also have Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion in a travel size because that's always a given for me. This bag is really cool because it has a big open area, but it also has little compartments for specific products. So in my bathroom, I have this little acrylic organizer that I got from Walmart, and this is what keeps my everyday skincare items that I use every single day. So I'll just be transferring most of these to my bag here. These are little sample sizes of my Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow serum. So I'll just be taking the sample sizes so that I don't have to take the full size. My Bacitracin ointment, which I use at night for my zits. My Bite Agave lip mask. I just ran out last night of my Laneige lip sleeping mask, so I am opening up my new one and I'm packing that. On my counter I have my Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water. It's a hydrating face mist that I use as a toner. I'm almost out, so I think I'm gonna bring my Saturday Skin one that I just repurchased. So this is the Saturday Skin Daily Dew hydrating mist that I use the same way as I use the Herbivore one. I'm just gonna pack this because I'm a little bit worried that I'm gonna run out. Since I don't have very many of those pre-packaged makeup wipes left, I'm gonna take I'm almost out of these, so I'll just use up the rest. The Aveeno Ultra Calming Makeup Removing Wipes. Put those in the bottom. The two eye creams that I'm taking, my morning eye cream, the Purity Made Simple Eye Cream for daytime. I'm gonna be packing that. And then for the night, I'm taking my Biossance Squalene Plus Peptide Eye Gel. I'm also taking my Drunk Elephant Lippy Balm. I love to use this on dry areas around my mouth, especially when we're going up into the mountains. It's gonna be dry, so I'm taking this. I'll also be taking my little sample size of the Herbivore Phoenix Face Oil. I use this just on my fine lines just to keep them from getting any deeper. I'll be taking my Murad Revitalixer Recovery Serum. This is just an anti-stress serum for your face. And then my Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream Moisturizer. I'm almost out of this, so I'll also be taking a little sample of the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacial Water Cream. I'll be taking my Tatcha Pure Camellia Cleansing Oil in a travel size just in case I don't want to use the makeup wipes. And then finally my tea tree oil for my piercings. So this is kind of how I packed it. You can kind of see how I utilize the side pockets. You can see why my skincare needs its own bag because I bring a lot. Skincare is something that I take very seriously, so I'm willing to overpack on that, but I am very careful about not overpacking anywhere else. The only makeup that I will be taking is this L'Oreal Brow Pencil Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, my Benefit Hello Flawless Powder to give me a little bit of coverage, my airbrush powder brush, and then I'll also be taking my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer, which I just don't have right here, and that is it that I'm taking for makeup. And all of this just goes right here in my purse makeup bag that also has just like cuticle oil, hand sanitizer, lip balm, stuff like that I just keep in my purse. One other thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that we will be taking sunscreen. This is the Drunk Elephant for my face and then the Equate for my husband and my body. But these will just be going in my dry food box just because that's the best place for it and I won't forget it. Okay, so I have gathered the rest of the stuff besides like stuff that I will need to use tonight, like my phone and my phone charger. Starting over here, I have my Longchamp tote, which will carry my books, my journals, my laptop and charger, my camera and charger, stuff like that. I have that little makeup bag that I was telling you guys about, the book that I'm currently reading, and this leather backpack that I got from TJ Maxx. All of my purse stuff will go in this backpack, and this is what I'll carry as a purse. So my wallet, cell phone, this stuff will all go in here. This right here I got as a Christmas gift. It plugs into the wall, and then it has a whole bunch of USB charging ports in it. This comes to save my life every single time I travel. So I have the book I'm currently reading, and then I have 5 other books, which sounds excessive, but the last time I took this exact same trip, I went through 4 books in 2 days. It might have been 5 actually. Anyways, so I'm going for 3 days, so I'm taking more. This trip is pretty much exclusively so that I can read and relax. I've also got some journals. This is kind of like a bullet journal, my normal like diary journal. And then I have this 52 lists project that I got from Barnes & Noble. Colored pens. My case for this camera that I'll be taking with me so that I can vlog. Some chargers, my camera charger, extra battery, and then my laptop case here so that I can remember to pack my laptop as well. I will also be bringing my AirPods. They just haven't been clipped here yet, but I always just clip it right here onto my backpack. I'm not going to show you guys in depth the tubs that we take for camping because I'm sure you guys don't really care about that, but here's all the personal stuff that I am taking, and I kind of showed you guys the food. As far as like the refrigerated food, like I told you, I cooked, and we'll be taking leftovers, and then we will also be taking like milk, juice, some fruit, bacon, turkey, like deli meat turkey, some cheese, and different stuff like that, eggs. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful if you guys are going on any camping trips this summer or lodging trips. Obviously, I'd pack a little bit differently if we were doing any hikes or working out or truly camping. But this is if you are glamping and you're staying in a lodge. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry again for my appearance. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.